How to add or remove watch face for your Apple Watch, which is the Watch Series 9, using the app for your iPhone when connected to the Apple Watch and an iPhone. All right, let's get started. If you want to add a new watch face with the app here, you'll want to go to where it says Face Gallery. And this is where you can see all the new watch faces. And be sure you have the latest app update as well as the latest update for your Apple Watch to get access to every new watch face available. Okay, and you want to go down to get all the different kinds available for you. So now let's just say I wanted to get something else new, maybe perhaps this one here. And when I go with it now, you will want to go ahead now and simply press on add. This is going to add this to the available watch faces here. Now it's going to take you to this here, to the top row where you can see all the watch faces. And then you can come back here now, go to my watch here, right down there, and then now you can see my faces. All the ones that you recently added will be here, and you can now tap on it, and then of course you can have that set as your new watch face. So as I turn on my Apple Watch here, you can see once I'm viewing this clock face here, it will show whatever changes I make here will appear here on the Apple Watch itself, okay? And once you back out of here and you leave it at that clock face, it will now be set as this clock face here, okay? So, and then if you want to make changes to all these clock faces that you recently added here, you want to remove some of them, go to the edit option here and simply tapping on this minus here, maybe I don't want this one anymore, I'll tap on it and I'll be able to remove this one here. And of course, it's not completely permanently deleting it from the app. You can come back and add it going back to the face gallery section. Okay, so this is with the app itself getting more customization options. So like and sub.